In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ebook with ChatGPT step by step. We'll guide you through each stage to ensure you can readily produce a well-crafted ebook. So, let's dive right in and get started on this journey to digital authorship. First off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to enter ChatGPT into the search bar. This step will direct you towards the various pages related to ChatGPT, an AI tool that helps generate text-based content, an incredibly useful tool for ebook creation. Once the search results have loaded, look for the official ChatGPT website link and click on it. You'll be taken to the main platform where we can begin our ebook journey. Inside the ChatGPT interface, your next move is to find and click on the Explore button. This will allow you to browse through the different capabilities and integrations the tool offers, paving the way for the next steps. In the exploration phase, head to the search bar and type Visme. This will direct you to a suite of presentation, document, and graphics generation tools tailored for various creative tasks, including ebook creation. You'll want to find a tool or feature that best aligns with your specific ebook needs. Now, locate and click on the option for a presentation, documents, or graphics generator. This selection acts as a springboard for visualizing how your ebook can look, from its structure to its graphical integration. With this clear picture, click on the Start Chat button to begin conversing with ChatGPT directly. Here, you'll interact with the AI to translate your ideas into written content. In this chat interface, type out the topic or theme of the ebook you want to create. Consider how detailed you want the content to be, whether there are specific points or messages you want to communicate, or a unique style you hope to adopt. This is your chance to outline the framework of your ebook. Once you've communicated your ebook concept and expectations to the ChatGPT, click the Submit button. After submission, the AI will generate content that aligns with the guidelines you've provided. This result will be the ebook draft crafted based on your outlined instructions. And just like that, your ebook is complete. While it may take some tweaks and adjustments, the bulk of the content is ready. Remember, you can always go back, refine, and iterate upon what's generated to ensure it meets your vision and standards. Congratulations! You've created your ebook using ChatGPT, showcasing the power of AI to turn ideas into digital reality. Enjoy your new digital creation and happy writing!